Some theories assumes that the black hole leads to another universe. There are billions of black hole in our universe. If one black hole sent us to the other universe, and what about the other black holes? We always imagine, what's inside a black hole? And we often heard, it is the point of no return. Black hole is a place in space, where gravity pulls so much that even light can't escape. Scientists have found proof that every single large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. There are estimated billions of galaxies in our universe, and with that fact, we can obviously assume there are billions of black holes in our universe. 4 years ago, we captured the first image of the black hole, and we don't know what will happen inside it. Some theories assumes that the black hole leads to another universe. There are billions of black hole in our universe. If one black hole sent us to the other universe, and what about the other black holes? Can it all leads to the one single parallel universe or different multiverses? What if all black hole leads to different universes? Then, in layman terms, there are almost billions of universes or multiverses out there. And another theory claims that if we enter the black holes, it connected us to the different galaxies within our universe. And the question arises, did black hole transmits the energy from one galaxy to another galaxy? Did black holes swallows the giant stars just to give birth to another galaxy by transmitting the energy? We didn't know the exact size of the universe. And, what if our universe has a super big massive black hole at its center? What if all black holes in our universe connected to that one big supermassive black hole at the center of our universe? What if our universe itself in a big supermassive black hole? And we currently not have the capability to answer these questions. All we know is that there are many mysteries out there in the space that might be beyond our imagination.